morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning, which means that I have just came back from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. It's getting thinner out there, not as many vendors, but my primary vendors are still there for at least the next week or two or possibly three. I talked to them, and some of the vendors are going to be there for a few more weeks after the published closing date. So let's show what I got. We got some more Thai basil, Mediterranean basil, and this week I'm actually doing a zucchini soup. So this is an apple, but it's a more mature apple. It's more of a smooth skin. This wonderful family had much bigger ones than this. This is one on the smallish side. Picked up from the same family some regular zucchini and some yellow squash. So yeah, not a big haul this week. Just pulled these down. This is the dried Thai basil. I have 2 bunches and one bunch of regular Mediterranean basil. In the next day or so, I will be stripping these and chopping them up and getting them either in bottle or into Ziploc bags for use later on. This Thai basil and Mediterranean basil will be hung to dry. Okay? So, on this Saturday morning, I hope you all have a great day. And by the way, because Robin isn't getting home till late, I'm not cooking. No. I tend to take Saturdays off anyway. So, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.